I'm in distress. I'm in really big distress. Wait, what this song down? It sucks. Everybody hates me. I'm gonna cry tears. Scared me. I'm crying. What the hell? Stop taking videos of my ear. I just want iTunes to work. I didn't want to download songs for me. I won't even access the store. It's almost done. Look. But it's taking so long. You sound like a freak. It's taking so long. It makes me want to hurt people. Oh, like it worked.